today to test our new premium all-season touring tire, the Salem Inspire. All of us at Salem are really excited about this new product. We couldn't have done it without the input and feedback from our dealer network and valued consumers.
When it comes to the design of the Salem Inspire, it was really determined to be used on the most suitable vehicles for a touring tire, such as compact cars, full-size sedans, we're talking crossovers and SUVs. And we feel that we've achieved that by ensuring that we targeted that audience and those type of cars with the ideal tire that's suited for that type of driving environment.
We hired an independent team of test drivers from Automotive Driving Solutions to help us with putting the Inspire through a variety of performance and durability tests. We'll be testing the Inspire against its predecessor, the Salem Touring LS, along with some notable competitors. Our professional drivers will be conducting a blind test. We've removed all the branding off of the sidewalls, so that way our pro drivers won't know which tires are being used during each performance test.
We can really feel a difference between them. Braking distances, you can really feel a big difference on when you get on the brakes. It takes longer to stop the car.
Testing one to the next, obviously it's subjective. We don't know which tire is which. We're trying to be precise and emulate everything evenly.
We have some devices in the vehicle that measure metrics, everything from lateral G's to acceleration and deceleration.
A little bit of stop and go. We try to do a little bit of cornering. We get it onto the highway where we can accelerate on the on-ramp and the off-ramp. Each of these is a subjective test based on the feedback from the driver.